Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. A couple of you guys suggested using PVC pipe to hang the drill motors in. I like the idea, I just didn't have any. At least I didn't think I had any. Then I went out and started putting away some of the stuff in the sheds, and guess what turned up? Perfect size. So now I just have to cut off some pieces. I think I'm going to make them about that long, about 6-8 inches. And got one marked out. We're going to cut it off. Now the plan is to cut a notch about the width of this handle. Back in so that the handle gets about this far. And the width of the handle is just about 1.5 inches. These are all conveniently marked in sizes, so I just pull out the 1.5 inches. And since I want the back of this be right there, that'll be the edge of the hole. 1.5 inches is 3/4, so I want to drill a hole at 3/4 inch mark, right there. We'll see if I can hold it on this round surface and not skip all over the place. That Forstner bit does a nice job. Right this way. Pretty good. That looks pretty solid. Nice fit, balances well. Works just as well with or without the battery. Two holes drilled opposite the notch. Lets me get a screwdriver in there to drive the screws up in. Take a few minutes and clean up and wipe all the crap off the outside of the pipe, and then deburr so that I don't have any sharp edges on it. Yeah, that shouldn't penetrate through. Give myself a little room to get to that valve. That'll hold it. Let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drills. So I gotta get 5 pieces cut. Thanks for the suggestion, guys. The storeroom pulled through for me again, and I was able to make the drill motor hangers. That's gonna work really well with that battery shelf. And the chargers are happy there. Big improvement. I got lights over it. I can see in the other shelves much better. And I can see on the battery shelf much better. And I also have a hanger for the drill motor. Just have to cut 4 more, get them mounted up there. We're all good to go. Now, I have other drill motors. I might see about putting some of those on, something like that. Wouldn't necessarily be on the battery operated rack, but you know, having all the drill motors in one spot so you can just walk over and grab them is kind of handy. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.